Can we eat these things or what?
Tyler, what's this? Close is on 1. What's that?
2.
Oops.
3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. Oh, young.
You mean a kitty? What number is that?
8. B.
No, that one.
B.
That comes after 8.
9. Yep.
What's this one?
Oh.
No, that one all together is 10.
10.
And then
Yep.
11.
Friend. Cow.
Very good.
Yay.
Yay!
Awesome. Say awesome.
Awesome.
Awesome. Eh?
Oh, yellow.
Why don't you sing your ABCs now?
You want me to write it again?
A.
Do you want to do letters this time? Okay.
A. B. C. H.
Good job. And Shell tried to trick you.
I did, I'm sorry.
K. B. Double. X. V.
Very good. And I tricked you.
You're smart.
Yay.
Smarter than Aunt
Awesome.
Shell. She couldn't do it.
What's your name? What's your name? Are you Silas?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yay!
11.
Yay.
And how old are you?
2.
Wow, you're 2.
Ow!
You're very smart.
It is.